Thinking about your future? Waikato's Bachelor of Business is your launchpad to success. It gives you the versatile skills to thrive in a world that's always moving, so your career options stay wide open. Whether you want to work for an international company, advise government, or do your own thing and start a new venture,
Waikato is ranked in the top 1% of business schools globally with our Triple Crown accreditation, so your degree carries real weight with employers. With heaps of subjects to choose from, you can shape your degree around your interests, while building a strong foundation in areas like accounting, economics and strategy.
Your lecturers bring real industry experience, so everything you learn is practical and up to date.
At Waikato Management School, you'll work on projects for real organisations. That could mean analysing finances, creating efficient supply chains, planning a marketing campaign, and much more.
Plus, you'll complete a workplace internship and take part in our legendary case competition. Graduate with the skills that employers value the most, like problem solving, leadership, and teamwork.
What makes Waikato special is that sense of community, that whanaungatanga. You're not doing it on your own, you're learning together alongside people who've got your back.
you can study this degree in either Hamilton or Tauranga. They're both great places to live in fast-growing regions close to key industries. A Bachelor of Business from the University of Waikato sets you up to go anywhere. Where will it take you?